Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you.
Sa pagpalig-on sa serbisyo sa Cebu Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, gilusad ang bagong command center sa Cebu o gipahigayon ang blessing sa opisina ug mga equipments. Gibuhi sa administrasyon ni Governor Pam Baricuatro ang pagpalig-on sa serbisyo sa Cebu Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, CPDRRMO. Ang napasagdan nga building sa Quarantine and Evacuation Center sa Sitio Grotto, Barangay Apas, gihimo nga bagong command center sa CPDRRMO. Sila si Governor Pam Baricuatro o Provincial Administrator Atty. Durano ang nangulo sa pagpa-blessing sa bagong command center. Sa bagong administrasyon ni Governor Pam Baricuatro, gipalig-on ang katakus sa Cebu Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office sa pagresponde panahon sa emergency. Sa liderato ni Governor Pam Baricuatro, gihatagan o gibug-aton ang kapabilidad sa CPDRRMO sa pagpahigayon og mga rescue operations. Ang CPDRRMO adunay moderno nga facilities ug mga high-tech nga equipments.
This was constructed in 2017. Never been used except for the COVID pandemic, and it was only used for less than a month. Then the isolation and quarantine was transferred to hotels and hospitals. So they've never been used. It is one of the buildings that was indicated of COA by COA. We have a monitoring command center. We have all, if you have a right to sit on the site, we have new equipments, new ones, purchased during the time of Governor Pam. We have live detector, radar detectors. We have the drone that can have thermal and imagery. It can load up to 10 payloads. And we have new equipments downstairs for rescue, and we have complete shotguns. We have a training center. Governor gave instructions that we can do training for Capitol, and we have a dorm on the side. It can be also used.
Pag-abot na to dire porti gyud ning kanang gubuta hugawa gining lugarahan ni kanang mura gyud siya abandoned place ba. So now we did a good job by fixing this up at a very minimal.
Ang pipila kakadagkuan sa Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office sa kalungsuran, dako ang pasalamat nila ni Governor Pam Baricuatro nga nakakita sa importansyang disaster response sa Cebu. Liani Almonia, sa bagong liderato, manginlabot magpakabana tungod kay ato ang Cebu.